the digital age, the importance of privacy cannot be overstated. With the increasing amount of personal information being shared online, the demand for skilled privacy professionals to protect this data has never been higher. If you're intrigued by the challenge of safeguarding digital information and ensuring compliance with complex regulations, a career in privacy might be right for you. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to embark on this rewarding path. Step 1. Understand the field. First, get a solid understanding of what a career in privacy entails. Privacy professionals work to ensure that organizations handle personal data responsibly, comply with privacy laws, like GDPR, CCPA, etc., and maintain the trust of their customers. Their roles can vary widely, from privacy analysts and consultants to chief privacy officers, CPOs, each requiring a unique set of skills and knowledge. Step 2. Acquire the right education. Most privacy professionals start with a foundation in related fields such as law, information technology, cybersecurity, or business. Degrees in these areas can provide a strong base from which to delve into privacy-specific training. Additionally, staying informed about digital trends, understanding the basics of data protection, and having a grasp of international privacy laws are crucial. Step 3. Gain relevant experience. Experience in related fields can be a significant asset. Internships or roles in cybersecurity, IT, legal departments, or compliance can provide practical skills and an understanding of the privacy challenges organizations face. Volunteering for projects or committees focused on data protection within your organization or community can also offer valuable experience. Step 4. Obtain professional certifications. Certifications are often a key step in becoming a recognized privacy professional. Certifications such as the Certified Information Privacy Professional, CIPP, and Certified Information Privacy Manager, CIPM, from the International Association of Privacy Professionals, IAPP, are highly regarded in the industry. They demonstrate a commitment to the field and a comprehensive understanding of privacy laws and practices. Step 5. Build your network. Networking is essential in the privacy field. Attend industry conferences, seminars, and webinars to connect with other privacy professionals. Joining professional associations like the IAPP can provide valuable networking opportunities, resources, and insights into the field. Engage with online communities and forums to share knowledge and stay updated on industry trends. Step 6. Stay informed and continue learning. Privacy laws and technologies are constantly evolving, so continuous learning is crucial. Follow relevant blogs, newsletters, and social media channels to stay up to date. Participate in ongoing training and educational opportunities to deepen your expertise and adapt to new challenges in the field. Step 7. Leverage resources like Privacy Trainer. For those looking for guidance and resources to break into the privacy field, online platforms like the Privacy Trainer YouTube channel can be incredibly helpful. Such resources offer tutorials, industry insights, and advice from experts, making complex privacy concepts more accessible and providing a roadmap for advancing your career. Step 8. Apply for privacy roles. With a solid educational background, relevant experience, and professional certifications, you're ready to start applying for privacy roles. Tailor your resume to highlight your privacy-related skills and experiences, and be prepared to discuss how your background can contribute to an organization's privacy strategy. Conclusion: a career in privacy offers the opportunity to be at the forefront of protecting digital rights and navigating the complexities of data protection. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation, gain the necessary skills and knowledge, and embark on a rewarding career path in privacy. The field is not only financially lucrative, but also offers high levels of job satisfaction and the chance to make a significant impact in the digital world.